house needs to be cleaned from top to bottom.
Okay, but I can't find the broom, or the mop, or the cleaning products.
I'll be right back. You can start cleaning.
You bet, Lisa.
How's the cleaning coming along, Nick? On your feet, Nick!
Hi, Lisa. I was just taking a break.
A break? We haven't even started cleaning yet. Attention! Now, take this broom and start to sweep. Then, pick up and fold all of these clothes. Next, dust all of the shelves. Then,
Excuse me, Lisa.
I'm not finished, Nick. Then, you are going to mop the floors, put all of the books back on the bookshelves, and straighten up everything in the living room. Any questions?
Just one. When can I take my first break?